So you found your dream home, congratulations. But before you make that offer, here are 5 tips you want to consider before doing so. Coming up. Hey everyone, Kai here with the Kai Wong Team, here to tell you everything you need to know about New York City real estate. In today's video, we're going to talk about the 5 things to consider before placing your offer and how it can help you get your offer accepted. Tip number 1, consider how much you can financially afford. What I mean by that is, most buyers that we work with, before they even go out and look at a property, we recommend them speaking with a lender. The main reason for that is, nothing is as harmful and hurtful than finding your dream home only to figure out that you can't afford it. That sucks because it takes months and months to find the one that really works for you. So we want to make sure you set yourself up for success and talk to a lender before you even go out and look at a property. But if you haven't done so already, do so now. Talk to a lender, find out what your monthly payments that you're comfortable with, how much your down payment is, and work out the math and see if it makes sense for you. Tip number 2, act fast. In today's market, the right price properties do move really quickly. You ever heard that saying, everyone likes what everyone likes? So you don't want to be the person that comes in second. What happens is a lot of the buyers, you're able to set up reminders to let you know when a new property comes on. Or you could choose to work with a broker that can let you know when a new property comes on the market. They can send reminders based on your search criteria. When a new property pops up, they'll let you know right away and say, hey John, check out this property. I think it fits your criteria perfectly. And the good thing is, the faster you go in, there's a higher probability that you'll actually get your offer accepted. The other buyers that are not as engaged or serious, they might see the property 3, 5, 7 days down the road. And if you saw the property already and already engaging in an offer, you're already one step ahead of everyone else. Tip number 3, make a serious offer. What we mean by that is, see what other properties are going into contract for that's around the area, similar amenities, similar level of finishes, similar floors. That will give you a better sense of how much price per square foot you should be offering for the property. Basing your offer off the asking price doesn't really do you any good. The seller can ask anything they want, but it has to be in line with the market. So the best way for you to decide what offer to make and to put in a serious offer, you should do your homework or have your broker do it. Tip number 4, get ready to negotiate. And what I mean by that is, get ready for them to give you a counter offer. If your offer is serious or something that's worth considering in terms of for the seller, it's good to be ready to negotiate. They might want to come up a little bit, you need to meet them in the middle. It's all a dance, it's a negotiation depending on what they come back to you with. Most of the time, for example, if their asking price is 2.5 and you offer, say the market's more in line with 2.3, you offer 2.2, 2.25, they might negotiate. See what they're coming back with. You could try to meet them in the middle or feel them out, have the conversation. Having the dialogue really does help in getting you the best offer possible. And finally, tip number 5, having the funds available. In New York City, most of the time when you sign a contract, after your offer is accepted, it's a 10% down payment. So you want to make sure you have that funds available to you when you need it. Preferably have it all into one account, so once you're ready to go, it's already there for you. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you found the information helpful. If it's your first time here, consider subscribing. If there's a topic you want us to cover in a future video, please let us know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.